Hi guys, welcome back again. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my Nigerian moi moi. So I'm going to start by blending together my well cleaned beans, pepper, crayfish and onion. So I'm going to start by adding the beans, the pepper and the other ingredients into my blender. As you can see, my blender is a little bit small, so I'm going to keep on repeating the same process until everything is done. For those of you who are new to this channel, you all are welcome. So if you want to learn how I clean my beans very fast and neat, you can visit my previous video where I made Nigerian moi moi from scratch. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and also turn on your notification bell icon so you will see all my new videos. Now I'm done blending my beans, so I'm going to go ahead now to add my other ingredient to my beans pudding. As you can see in the video, these are the things I'll be using to cook my moi moi. My well cleaned mackerel fish, stock cube, salt, fish stock water, red oil and vegetable oil. First I will add my vegetable oil, my chicken stock cube and salt. Then I will mix them together. I'm so sorry guys, I forgot to mention about my egg area, so I'm going to go ahead to add my egg now. The essence of adding this egg is to serve as a binding agent to my moi moi. And after adding the egg, I'll make sure that I mix everything properly well. Next, I will go ahead to add my red oil, and after that I will continue mixing. Now is the time to introduce my fish stock water. And before I forget guys, make sure your fish stock water or any water you are using is warm. Finally, I will add my well deboned mackerel fish into my beans pudding. Then I will make sure that everything is properly mixed. I'm going to be using foil paper to wrap my moi moi. You can as well use a fresh banana leaf or plastic container or any container of your choice. I will continue repeating this same process until everything is wrapped. guys, this is what my moi moi looks like after wrapping it. Next, I'm going to go ahead to add water to my clean pot and allow it to boil before adding my steamer. 5 minutes later, after boiling my hot water, I'll go ahead to add my steamer to my pot. Then after that, I'll add the moi moi to my pot. Make sure you add as much as your steamer can contain. And after that, I'll cover my pot and allow it to cook for 45 minutes. This is 45 minutes later. So guys, I'm going to go ahead to check on my moi moi and see if our moi moi is cooked now. So if after 45 minutes guys and your moi moi is not well cooked inside, you can continue steaming it until the inside is well cooked. Guys, watch till the end to see how the inside of my moi moi looks like. So I'm going to unwrap it now to see how the inside looks like. Guys, this is what the inside of my moi moi looks like. It looks so yummy and delicious. You can enjoy this moi moi with any soft drink of your choice. You can as well enjoy it with pap or even custard. Guys, thanks for watching, and also please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. See you all in my next video.